Hi everyone, this is Shweta Priyadarshini and I am currently pursuing my MBA in International Business from Symbiosis Institute of International Business. Life here at SIIB is very dynamic and so is the curriculum. A series of mega events are conducted by SIIB where students from all across the nation representing top B schools come and participate in large numbers. Some of the most notable events of SIIB that every student look forward to are Ignisense, Bazooka, Anusmriti, Inquisitive, Agri Summit and Anycon. The crowd here is massive and so is the fun. Guest lectures are again pervasive at SIIB. Top faculties from all across the nation show their interest in teaching our students. These guest faculties have rich industry experience and enormous knowledge in their respective domains. Guest lectures are a frequent phenomenon at SIIB and students get to experience them in both online as well as offline modes. Living up to the brand name Symbiosis, SIIB is famous for its extensive research and development. We have a Bloomberg terminal where students get access to all sorts of financial data for their research work. All the SIIB faculties are experts in their domain and they come with very extensive industry experience. Here at SIIB, students are always encouraged to think beyond the box and opt for research. SIIB provides an MBA in International Business, Agribusiness and Energy and Environment. If you are an MBA aspirant and looking for admission into a top B school, then SIIB is the place where you belong. Come and become a part now.